All right, so we're doing a walkthrough with one of the framers.
Anyway, you must do ceiling too, right?
Yeah, we have to
Over
do
here.
ceiling too. Yeah, we have to do ceiling.
Aquí está lindo esto. Dale un repellir y se la hagamos caer, dale bien chulo. Pues mira, quiere arrancar todo.
Yeah, I think they had a fire or something over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, so for that one, the roofer, it's a little horn at the top there. The roofer's just gonna have it flat.
You can cut that.
Just cut. You're just gonna cut that. So I don't worry about nothing like that. Yeah. But all these windows, we're gonna rip out and reframe them.
Okay.
Yeah. The windows out, reframe them.
This wall was rip off and put the frame in.
Yeah. So this is the only wall. This is the only wall that we're gonna not frame. Everything else we gotta frame in for insulation.
Yeah. Who's gonna do this? Who's gonna rip this off? Me or you got guys for that? I can do it too. But
Just give me a price on it. Give me a price on
I
it.
can give you price altogether.
Yeah, give me a price on it.
Okay, everything you buy, every whole roof, material, wood, everything you buy.
Correct.
Right?
Yeah. Yep.
Okay. I got it.
Okay.
I will make a number
Uh-huh.
and I call you with the price.
Okay. That works for me. How long do you think it'll take you?
To do it
Yeah.
with the roof, I think 2 weeks.
Okay.
You gonna bring downstairs or what? Or how you gonna do it?
What do you mean, bring the roof downstairs?
No, to put the trash on the roof.
I'll have I can have dump trucks. Yeah, I can have dump trucks. You know what I mean?
Okay.
I can have the dump trucks come, so we're in and out. You know what I mean?
Gotcha. Yeah, well, this here is not secure.
What, the bump out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Joist it looks like it's lower.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. From here out is also you gotta take out, and then that's the bump out I was talking about. What is it? How does that look to you?
The door looks not good.
Yeah. So
Because framing.
be careful.
We gotta move all that
Oh man, you guys are bold.
and make this gotta go and make it good. It's not even. Mira cómo está el piso. Yo digo ese. The roof looks okay.
Roof looks okay.
Roof looks okay. The only thing is this looks like
Going down.
yeah. We can leave that because this here I see they put to a thing, to a 8. It's good. But I see that as because the joist is. Manuelito, ese para acá. No, it's not too bad either. I think looks like that because this part is lower.
Okay. So you think if we do the joist underneath this, it's gonna fix it?
It's gonna
Okay.
be good. Yeah, I think.
So what you guys would jack it up, rip it all out, and then redo it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Because look like that because this part here.
Be careful.
It looks like it's a little high, but I see that the joist is through there. Looks okay to me because it's no up. It's not coming out from there. So
Okay.
It's good.
All right.
Ya viste que todos están mundiados. Sí, eso tiene que ponerle ahí. Hay que ponerle. Okay, you can leave the wood over there.
Okay. And what you guys do? Just sister it?
We just gonna push it up. I gonna cut some parts.
Okay.
But it's a lot. You don't have to change a lot because all this
has to get changed.
All this has to go.
Yeah, all this has to go. This is no good.
That's no good. This gotta be dough. It's not strong.
Not good, yeah. You can see it's bowing. It's bending, it's bowing,
That's why, because it's too far and it's single. So this one need to be double. And that way it's gonna be good. 2x8 because 2x6 is too small for this.
So when you run the numbers, I need to do the roof separate.
Do the roof separate. Okay.
So give me the numbers for all the framing, and then give me a number for doing the roof separate.
Okay.
Because I already had a roofer that gave me a number. So
Okay.
if you guys have a better number than the roofer, I'll tell him to never mind.
Okay.
All right. So do the roof separate.
But he give you labor or
They
with
give me
material?
labor and material.
Labor and material.
So for the roof, do labor and material.
I do that.
Do labor for material, yeah.
And trash and everything.
Trash and everything.
I got dump trailer.
Yeah, I need y'all to be quick. No, don't get
Yeah,
caught.
I can do it 1 week, 1 weekend.
Okay, one weekend. Yeah, for the roof.
I can do Saturday and Sunday.
And then when you guys do the windows, give me the measurements so that I can order the windows. Once you frame it, give me the measurements so I can order it from the window shop. So by the time you guys are done everything.
If you leave the same this here, I can give you measurement now because I mean not now, but
Yeah, when you guys get
soon,
started. Yeah.
soon we can get it.
Okay.
Because here I don't know what you want to do. You want to put one window or how many windows over here?
You know what? Not sure yet. I gotta figure it out. I think
About this too, you see?
that one we're gonna bring back. So before you guys come, we gotta do some structural work here.
Okay.
So we're gonna have the masonry guy fix all this first. We're gonna have the masonry guy come and fix this first, and then you guys are coming.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So how long until you give me some numbers? Tomorrow,
I will
Friday.
come back to you maybe tomorrow. This weekend.
Okay.
This weekend.
All right. This weekend.
I give you a price.
Okay.
Is electric here?
No, but I'll have electric for you guys. I'll give you guys an outlet on each floor.
I got generator too, but
I don't want you guys. I don't want you to spend your money on that. I'll get my electrician to get a line so you guys have outlets.
okay, yeah, that's good.
That'd be easier for you guys. Yeah.
Better.
Yep.
All right. Okay. Skylight. What is that?
I don't know. All this stuff, came with the house.
Okay.
So,
Maybe it's TV or what?
I don't know if it's a TV.
No, that's not TV.
I don't think it's a TV at all.
Oh, it's a table.
It's a table.
No, it's like table, yeah.
So,
Okay, sir.
all right, man.
So we got it.
Cool.
I mean,
cool.
I
Don't forget about me.
yeah, I will call you back this weekend
Okay, perfect.
with the number.
All right, cool. Thanks for coming out.
Thank you, man.
All right, fellas, have a good one. Thank you. Have a good one. Have a good one.